If you've been hunting for big fashion deals online, you've probably stumbled across kakeobuy.com, but before you jump in and place an order, it's worth looking closely because there's a lot you need to know. Kakeobuy.com offers a wide range of clothes, shoes, and accessories, and their huge discounts definitely catch your attention right away. They have some solid positives going for them, like offering both email and live chat support, sharing company details including a registration number and physical address, and having a checkout process that's pretty transparent with clear fees and shipping options. Some customers even reported super quick delivery, with packages arriving in as little as 2 days. And the product quality seems to hold up well compared to other popular shopping agents like HeyGoBuy. However, not everything is perfect because the website is still very new, having been registered only in September 2024, which can be a red flag for some shoppers. There are also reports of long shipping delays, some frustrating experiences where users were asked to pay twice, and mixed reviews showing up on Trustpilot and Reddit that reveal a lack of consistency in their service. Another thing to keep in mind is that there's not much transparency about who exactly is running the site, which leaves a few important questions unanswered. So while kakeobuy.com has some good points and some customers are happy, the platform also shows warning signs that you should seriously consider before trusting them with your money. Overall, it's not a clear scam but not a fully proven platform either. If you decide to order, it might be smart to start small and test the waters yourself.